Hey there, welcome to my video on how to sketch. Sketching is a great way to express your creativity and ideas on paper. It is also a useful skill for artists, designers, architects, and anyone who wants to improve their drawing abilities. In this video, I'll be showing you some basic tips and techniques to help you get started with sketching. Tip 1. Start with basic shapes. When starting a sketch, it's helpful to begin with basic shapes. This will help you establish the overall composition of your drawing and ensure that everything is in proportion. For example, if you're drawing a face, you might start with a circle for the head and add lines for the jaw and cheekbones. Tip 2. Use light lines when sketching. Use light lines instead of heavy ones. This will allow you to make changes and corrections as you go along without leaving dark marks on the paper. You can always go back and darken the lines later once you're happy with the overall composition. Tip 3. Use guidelines. Guidelines can be very helpful in sketching, especially when drawing more complex objects or scenes. For example, you might use guidelines to ensure that the eyes on a face are level and evenly spaced, or to ensure that the perspective of a building is accurate. You can use a ruler or other straight edge to create your guidelines. Tip 4. Practice shading. Shading is an important technique in sketching that can add depth and dimension to your drawings. To practice shading, start with a simple object such as a sphere or cube, and use a pencil to shade in the different areas of light and shadow. Experiment with different shading techniques such as hatching, cross-hatching, and blending. Tip 5. Keep practicing. Finally, the most important tip for improving your sketching skills is to keep practicing. The more you sketch, the more comfortable you will become with different techniques and styles. Don't worry if your drawings don't turn out perfectly at first. It takes time and practice to develop your skills. Conclusion. So there you have it, some basic tips and techniques for sketching. Remember to start with basic shapes, use light lines, and practice shading. And above all, keep practicing. With time and dedication, you'll be able to create beautiful sketches that showcase your unique style and creativity. Thanks for watching, and happy sketching!